In a previous video, we discussed what to do if you're confronted with a frontal choke pinned against a wall. And what I recommended in that video was to come up between your opponent's arms and go straight for their eyes with your thumbs. Now this is still the preferred technique because it not only escapes this hold, but it does serious damage to the opponent's ability to wage war against you, being blinded. Okay, but there are drawbacks. One would be if your opponent's arms are particularly long, you could have difficulty reaching their head. Okay, but there is a solution to this. What you do is, when the attacker has you by your throat, you bring your hands together just as before, but go up. See how it forces the elbows to bend and helps separate the hands off of the neck. This brings the head right into range where you can easily go for your eye. One more technique that you can use is to come up between the arms like before. At this time, she's going to grab one of his arms, and then she's going to use the tips of her fingers against his throat to drive him back off of the wall. As soon as she has enough room, she's going to hit him with an elbow, grab the back of his neck, knee to the groin, knee to the body, whatever it takes, then just shove him to the ground and run. Run. Don't stand over him gloating. And that's another technique that you can do from the frontal choke pinned against the wall.